Hey guys, what's happening? How to get TikTok back after removal from the App Store. So for iPhone users, TikTok was removed from the App Store due to legal issues. So re-downloading it directly isn't possible. However, you can access your TikTok through your web browser at TikTok.com. Again, TikTok, TikTok.com, right? Through this limits functionality such as video creation. For Android users, you can download TikTok directly from the company's website, adjusting certain phone settings, right? And the alternative methods you can use VPN, region change. Some users have succeeded or have had success by changing their App Store region to country where TikTok is still available, like Canada, and using a VPN to match that location. This method can be complex and isn't guaranteed to work. So, if you have access to another device with TikTok still installed, you might be able to transfer the app using device-specific tools like Smart Switch for Samsung devices. So, while these methods might help, they come with risks and aren't proof or aren't foolproof. So always be cautious when changing device settings or downloading apps from unofficial sources. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.